Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make hair cream. If you want to make hair cream, the one that you can sell in the market, the one that you can produce and sell for people, this is actually for you. Please, if you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see all of my videos. Whenever I post new videos, you can see them. I have my paraffin oil here, which is 100 ml. I have my petroleum jelly, 50 grams. I have my stearic acid, 10 grams, lanolin, half teaspoon, glycerin, 10 ml, camphor, we are using half teaspoon or little. We'll be using menthol for this production, or a little bit of menthol, and then we're using vitamin E, 4 to 5 grams or 4 to 5 ml is okay. You can use color as you desire, and then perfume, you can use up to 5 or 7 ml of perfume in this production. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be turning on my stove. Please turn on your stove and put it on a low heat. You are not frying anything, you are just melting all the ingredients together. And I'm going to be transferring my paraffin oil inside the pot. Okay, paraffin oil inside my pot. This is 100 grams of paraffin oil. Turn your stove down to a low heat. You are not frying egg. You are not frying anything. You are just mixing the ingredients, all the ingredients together. That's why you need a stove and a pot. So the stove is down, all right? I'm just going to leave the paraffin oil on for about 2 to 3 minutes. I just need to warm. My stove is on a low heat, all right? It's on a low heat. I just want it to warm up for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll pour in my next ingredient. So I'm going to be going in with my petroleum jelly, all right? This is 50 grams of petroleum jelly. I'm going to leave it on and let it melt all together, all right? This is 50 grams of petroleum jelly. So friends, we just recently launched Celina's Empire tutorial, where we teach people how to make soap, both hot process, cold process of laundry bar soap, detergent powder, bathing soap, video editing, liquid soap, graphic design, and how to run ad. Right now it is on promo. Okay, right now it's on promo for just $5. That's about 8,000 naira. Now this is like giving it out to you for free, because you and I know that to learning soap making is way more than 8,000 naira, and we are giving you 4-in-1 bundle. Okay, learn soap making, anything about soap, learn soap making, learn graphic design, learn video editing, and learn how to run ad. Now, if you're interested in this, if you want to start building your business, click the WhatsApp group link in the description below to register right away. Now, don't forget, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our updates and our promo. All right, so it is well mixed. All right, once you pour in your petroleum jelly, you can just mix it for about 3 to 4 minutes. You just want it to mix in and blend in with your paraffin oil. Now I'm going to be going in with my stearic acid, all right? This is 10 grams of stearic acid. Now, if you are selling, I would advise that you please use paraffin wax, okay? Paraffin wax will be more suitable for you if you are selling. If you are selling, if you want to do this for a larger production for sale, please use paraffin wax, okay? But what I use in this recipe, in this tutorial, is stearic acid. Now I'm going to leave it on, we'll let it mix together, blending together for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will go in with my next ingredient. Now be mindful of the quantity of paraffin wax you are using if you are selling, because you don't want your product to be too thick, okay? Now I'm going to be going in with my lanolin, okay? The next ingredient will be lanolin, and I'm using half teaspoon, all right? Half teaspoon of lanolin. Just put it in and let it all melt together. Leave it on, let it melt together for about 2 to 3 minutes again. You are not cooking anything, neither are you frying anything. You are just mixing all the ingredients together. That's what we are doing, okay? it is important that you keep your stove on a low heat. As you are doing it, keep your stove on a low heat, okay? Don't worry about the recipe. I'm going to put it in the description below. If you're interested in learning soap making, detergent powder, laundry bar soap, both hot process, cold process of laundry bar soap, you want to learn bathing soap, liquid soap, how to edit your videos, how you can make beautiful graphics for your business, how to run ads to push your business to the face of people that actually need this. If you are interested in all of these skills, go to the description below, click on the WhatsApp group so you can sign up for the tutorial right away. All right, so please keep your stove on a low heat and let this melt together. Now I'm going to be adding 10 ml of glycerin. 10 ml of glycerin, okay? 10 ml of glycerin. Just mix it together, let it all melt all together. Your stove on a low heat. So I'm going to be going in now with my half teaspoon of camphor. All right, half teaspoon of camphor. And I'm going to be mixing it well again for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just let everything blend in before you go in with your menthol. And I'm going in with my menthol. So this is half teaspoon, but half of this half teaspoon. So I'm going in with my menthol, not too much. All right. I'm going to be mixing it well. Mix it again for 2 to 5 minutes. Just so everything can blend in together, okay? Remember, you are not cooking anything. You are just melting. Don't worry about the recipe. I'm going to put it in the description below. If you're interested in learning soap making, detergent powder, laundry bar soap, both hot process, cold process of laundry bar soap, you want to learn bathing soap, liquid soap, how to edit your videos, how you can make beautiful graphics for your business, how to run ads to push your business to the face of people that actually need this. If you are interested in all of these skills, go to the description below, click on the WhatsApp group so you can sign up for the tutorial right away. So I'm going in with about 4 to 5 ml of vitamin E. This is my vitamin E. It's about 4 to 5 ml of vitamin E. You can use up to 5 ml of vitamin E, okay? Now, if you want to make this for a larger quantity, maybe you want to do it for business, all you have to do is to multiply the quantity of the recipe, and then you can go ahead and produce your hair cream. Just multiply the quantity, okay? We'll mix it together for a while, for about 3 minutes again. Just let it melt all together before you go in with color. This is oil-based color, okay? This color is oil-based color. All right, you can use it as you desire. Pour as many as you want, but you don't want it to be too much, right? But make sure you are using oil-based color because you are dealing with oil, right? Don't use water-based color. Please use oil-based color. If you want your hair cream to be very thick, if you are using paraffin wax, increase the paraffin wax. If you are using stearic acid, increase the stearic acid. If you want your hair cream to be more thicker, if you want it to be very thick, increase your paraffin wax, or if you are using stearic acid, increase your stearic acid. Now I'm just going to be adding my perfume. This is lavender. All right, you can use up to 5 or 7 grams. And I'm just going to mix it for a while, and then we are done. Once you pour in your perfume, mix it for about 5 minutes, just so everything can blend in together. And once you are sure that everything is blending together, after about 5 to 7 minutes, Turn your stove off, put your pot down and let it cool down for about 25 to 30 minutes, just to cool down to the point that you can pour it into your container, because you don't want it to burn your container, to melt your container. So once you are sure that your cream is well cooled down, then you can pour it into your container. But then again, you don't want it to be too cold, because you don't want it to, to stick into the pot. You don't want it to be molding inside the pot. You want to get it into your container. Alright guys, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Bye.